Hi, I'm going to walk you through how to import properties into CRE Cloud Solutions for your website. So this is going to auto-populate your property map search, your property web pages, property names, addresses, locations, images, descriptions, property fields, associated contacts or brokers, property types, property categories. So to do this, log into your dashboard and go to your properties. Here you're going to see all the properties that you've added or imported previously, and go to the top right and click Import. From the Import page, select Properties, and then step 2 is to select the property type and category. Now you've created these before. There is a video that walks you through how to create property types, categories, and fields. The next one is, do you manage these properties? So yes, we do. So those are going to show on your web page. If not, then they won't. So then you just select a CSV. Now here's a CSV, and you can create and edit these in Excel. So you just go in, just like every other spreadsheet, create it with these property, with the column headers. There's your team members. Now team members, you just put in the email of the team member. The images, you can just copy and paste. For, like, go to Google, select it, and then save the image URL, and then paste them in. And you can save up to 3, so you can have image 1, image 2, and image 3, and you'll see that during the import. And then I go in and I save it, and this is where you need to make sure that it's a CSV file. So just at the bottom, the format, it's .csv. You can see the extension .csv here, and just save it. So now that you have that done and you've attached it to the import, give it a name, and then you can select if the first row are column headings. So yes, they are, and I'm going to click import. So here is the import page. So this gives you the ability to just select and associate the correct fields for the properties. So it's going to walk you through. And important in here is those additional property fields, because maybe you have properties that have specific property fields that you want to display or import. So you'd want to go again back into the property category and type and fields video or section and add those. And those are going to show up in this drop down dynamically. So it just gives you that flexibility. So I'm going to go in, and again, I'm going to select the columns, and then importantly, team members. So again, you can associate and import up to 3 team members on property. So team member 1, team member 2, team member 3, and those are their emails. And then here's your URL, your images. So you're just selecting image URL 1, image URL 2, image URL 3, and you can have blank fields. The only fields that are required are going to be the property address, city, state, zip. So you can easily import. So once I've imported, and that may take a minute or 2 because it just has to import all that information. You'll see all your properties. You can edit them. You can edit any of the information. So this is all the information that people are going to see on your website, on your print marketing, on your email marketing. So here's your available suites. You can add floor plans, make them vacant or not. Very easy to do. You just need to go through it. 1 or more team members, images, attachments. So these are going to show on your web pages and PDFs. You can choose to associate a custom, put in URLs of videos, and then save. And then now you can see that it's updated on your website automatically. This just makes the whole process very easy to do. And let us know if you have any questions.